As we enter 2025, optimism surrounds the commercial vehicle service and maintenance industry. It appears that the freight recession has ended, and signs point to a strong year of economic activity. One trend we expect to see in 2025 is increased repair volume for shops. In Narragan's recent Voice of Customer surveys, most shop and fleet maintenance managers expressed optimism for their business this year, citing supply chain adjustments and nearshoring as catalysts for a strong fiscal year. Complementing this optimism are key technology trends that will shape the market. These include integration of diagnostic tools within shop automation systems, the rise of remote diagnostics in telematics, and advancements in tractor-trailer communication. Additionally, we are seeing early signs of condition-based maintenance driven by AI. We also expect an increased investment in alternative powertrain fuels such as natural gas. And finally, market trends are also reshaping the industry. These trends include an increasing diagnostic tool-to-technician ratio, a persistent shortage of skilled technicians, a strong market push for shop automation solutions, and the rise of innovative business models where products transform into services and services into products. For a deeper look at how these economic, technological, and market trends will shape opportunities this year, explore our new white paper, Unpacking Commercial Vehicle Diagnostics Market 2025.